small cubes and it's just easier to make them larger. So that's what I am doing for this round. And I will also say that these 4 butternut squash did not fill up all 4 trays. You will see later here how many trays they filled up. And so I ended up throwing on a couple of other things, which I had meant to record, but then the kids were screaming in the background. And so I did not record that. These 4 filled up like 2.5 trays. And then on one of the trays, the kids had half of a little homemade pizza left, which I did a short on. And at the end of this video, I will do a taste test. Threw that on just like a last minute whim. And then the other tray, I did a bag of frozen green beans. So now it is time to load all those trays and get the freeze dryer going. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is get my Harvest Right pre-freezing. So I'm going to latch the door, make sure that my drain valve is...
Some good old-fashioned heat time action. Oh, awesome. Monkey dad life. I got poop on me. The thing about monkey poop is that it comes out for, anyway, right now, it comes out in a tiny little piece, but man, if you touch it or wipe it, or it goes everywhere. Was that good for you? Yeah, you gotta itch your tail, itch your butt. That's okay, bud. We'll let you rest. See you in 2 hours. Alright, it is mid-afternoon. Tiger's second feed. Or, not second feed, but second time feeding this afternoon. Huh.
We'll empty out this water too. And all you do, there it goes, is push start. So this is going to cool down this vacuum chamber so that way when we put our food in there, it does not get too warm. That is what it does. We're going to wait 15 minutes and then we're going to load our trays. Just make sure this door is closed so that way it can keep all the coolness in there. Okay, so now the freeze dryer says to load the trays into the freeze dryer, close the drain valve, and we will make sure that this door is securely closed. So let's go get our trays and load them in. All right, we've got our 4 trays loaded. We are going to close the door, secure. We are going to lift this up. That is going to close off the drain valve. And then we are going to push continue. This will automatically do its freezing, and then once it senses that everything in here is frozen, then it will kick on the vacuum pump and it will start to seal this up and start its process of drying. Okay guys, so this has been running for a total of 26 hours. I left it go a little bit longer than probably what it needed. So now I'm going to turn it off and pull the trays out, and we're going to package those up. So the first thing I'm going to do is push cancel, and then the machine is going to prompt me to open the drain valve, and then you can warm the trays, but I never do. So I'm going to pull that, show you to
yeah. Yeah. Is it good? What's that? Want some more? Drop by drop. Sometimes feeding takes longer, sometimes it's really quick. It's all about him. So I just kind of let him dictate how he wants it, when he wants to end, and hopefully that does right by him. It seems to be working so far though. I ain't too worried about it. Here you go, bye. Want some more? Eventually he'll just refuse it, or he'll give me his little chirp that signifies he's good. That one though means that he's still hungry, so he's still hungry. Here. Yeah. I'm learning too, so it's not all just Ollie. I'm definitely learning as I'm headed into this too. Here, it's a journey. Oh, Ollie, we're going on a journey. Yeah, it's all right. You good? You want some more? Here. What's that in there, Oz? You see it? Say hello, everyone. Say I'm just eating and sleeping. So in the evening time, I like to feed Ollie at least like half a teaspoon of that 000 yogurt, just to get him used to it. And then I top him off with, with his regular formula. Now, he has started making bowel movements more. He's pooping a lot more since the real food, so might be time to get in some serious diaper training. We'll stay tuned for that. Let's try and see if he'll eat some. Hey, Ollie, you want some yogis again? Got it on his nose again. Oh no, Ollie. Oh no. So let's do the fingertip method. Got it on his nose. He loves it on his face. Stop. On your face, bro. Want some more? Here, Ollie.
Alright, and once that is done with that noise, that means that it's depressurized and you can safely open the door. I always do a quick check to make sure that everything looks dry.
Hey.